Morning, Craig here at Willie Farms. A little bit breezy this morning, but that's normal for March around here. So, time to feed the animals before I go to my other job. Nice little batch of eggs this morning. I don't know if you can hear them, but the birds are singing. Getting some blooms on the pear tree. Our rabbits, we're expecting litters here of kits in about 3 weeks. 2 of them in about 9 days, and the other ones in about 3 weeks. So we're excited about that. Water in the raised bed this morning. Y'all have a great day. God bless.